All right, let's mill some wood. You've been out there cutting trees down all day.
Got some beautiful little babies right here we want to chop up. So the first thing we're going to go through
And set from the rear forward
all of our jack stands.
and just set them with a metal pole. It's pretty simple. Once we get that set up,
This is a wood miser. This is Don over here, the wood miser technician, knows what he's doing. We got a couple other guys on the scene. So what I like about the wood miser is, especially this specific model, the LT40. It's an older model, but you can still find them at a pretty reasonable price. It's got all the hydraulics. You just back the trailer in next to whatever wood you're going to work on, so you don't have to haul it somewhere and then haul it back. Somebody should be helping that guy.
Work smarter, not harder. Get this end over. That's your pivot point. Definitely some extra work. I'm tempted to go over there. I'm tempted to go over there and just pick up the rock.
it's a regular circuit.
Nobody saw that. It will be stricken from memory. I don't even know what I didn't see.
just finished up. Gonna reset everything back to the beginning. And this is what we came out with. We've got lots of slabs. We've got a couple of skinny pieces that we have for some special stuff that we're gonna do. A lot of 1-inch boards. Got a couple of these bigger pieces. These are gonna be for some tabletops that we're gonna do. And some of these ones are for the tabletops. And then the rest of this is all for the board and batten siding and some of the decking that we plan to do. But we ended up with quite a bit of lumber out of one tree, just one 60-footer. And then we'll polish this up and put everything away. And we're good to go. All right, so that's Don Seitz doing all of our mill for us. Hey Don, I got a question for you. What's one bit of advice you give a new guy with a mill?
I don't know. Just make sure you want to have one, I guess.
It's a big investment.
Yeah. You know, make sure you got a use for it.
Yeah.
So hopefully you enjoy it. I bought mine because I wanted it.
Yeah.
I didn't try to justify it money-wise or anything else. I lucked out. I inherited a little bit of money and I bought a used one, and I love it, and probably never paid for itself, but I've had a good time.
Yeah, you've used it a lot.
Yeah.
How much have you spent on repairs, would you say? How long have you had this mill?
It's a 92. I guess I bought it in 96. So
Yeah.
that's 4 and 20, 24, 25 years. I paid $12,000 for it. I think I rebuilt put some brushes in the hydraulic motor. A couple of years ago, I put in a brand new motor. That was about $2,500
For that Kohler?
And then saw blades. Now, saw blades are $25. Although the ones I've got on there are 41, and they're called bimetal, and they are really durable with rock and nails. They go through nails and they don't affect the cut much.
Yeah, you'd recommend a bimetal blade for a new guy?
Not necessarily. You
Yeah.
buy cheap blades and make sure the tree don't have nails in it.
Yeah. Yeah, don't take them out of yards.
Yard trees got nails up the first how far birdhouses go up.
Yeah.
So that's kind of it. But it's cheap to run. It costs, I don't know, I don't use about 5 gallons of gas a day at the most.
Wow.
But a day to me is about 6 hours.
Yeah, as it should be. It's
Yeah.
hot out here.
So, and yeah, you buy the blades 10 at a time. So
Nice.
it's $250 or whatever 40 was.
Yeah, $250.
$400, but those will last me. They'll pay for themselves,
Yeah.
theoretically speaking.
Yeah. Well, we really appreciate your help today. You did an awesome job. We got a lot of lumber, and we're excited to put it to use.
Yeah, it's better than letting it go to the landfill or even burning it, you know?
I totally agree.
Yeah.